Oh man, it's a pre-market prep emergency. I left my coffee over there. Oh my god, you can't function. I'll be right back. Crisis emergency. All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another Money Monday. FYI, obviously, if you're on Periscope / Twitter, you're not hearing me, but actually, and this is probably even more for Nicole. Nicole, it looks like Periscope finally died. I think many of you might know, I thought Periscope was supposed to go away like a month ago. So I guess we'll see, but I can't log in to Periscope this morning. So if you have, I guess this would be the point. Number one, FYI, Nicole. Number two, if you know people that like to watch on Twitter / Periscope, I guess maybe let them know. Let them know I'm still on YouTube, still on Facebook, still on. Keep in mind, you can always go to stockstotrade.com / premarket prep, and everything's there. So anyway, like I said, I just wanted to bring it up. If you got any buddies or anything that like to watch along on Twitter / Periscope, looks like it's finally done. So pre-market prep stream. Man, nice gap up on space this morning. This was one that we talked about Thursday and Friday. It tried to break on Thursday and failed, but then successfully broke through that 2150 area we talked about on Friday. And then, I also talked in the afternoon about that. They had that launch this weekend, and I was hoping everything went well. You guys know I'm very bullish space-related stuff. So if you took that idea over the weekend, congrats on SPCE. Now, keep in mind, the nice thing about this is, it's also a SPAC. It's also a WallStreetBets favorite. So, what is that? What is that? Something. Whoa, I don't know what that was. Looks like Instagram. Man, I'm just full of technical issues. I don't know what the hell that was. Let's move on. Sorry. I hate that stuff that breaks my flow. So space, if you're not in it, this would be that afternoon VWAP hold for swing. VWAP hold for swing idea. Again, I know I say this a lot, but straight out of the ebook for a setup and a chart. So, whoops, and then I got to put the ticker. So, probably going to be my number one swing trade this week. Go back. Oh, and also on that note, Peloton working nicely. This is what we love about earnings season. I say this over and over and over again. If you're a newer trader, I beg you to focus on earnings season. Now, I'm not saying it's easy, okay? But I think it's easier for newer traders during earnings season because, it's difficult to put this to words, but things make more sense during earnings season, okay? Things are more logical, okay? So anyway, that being said, Peloton still in play. Plan same from 2 weeks ago. RBLX, plan same as last week. And let's get to some. I know none of you care about my degenerate or my boring stocks. Y'all want to talk degenerate. Oh, somebody asking about Roblox, though. Don't speak so soon, Tim. So, This broke through the entry level on Friday, nicely consolidating. I would look for 85 for entry, risk on VWAP. That would be your swing trade idea on Roblox. Thank you for asking about Roblox. RBLX, look for Friday's highs, risk on VWAP. I figured everybody would just be bringing up, one millionth of a penny OTCs. One millionth of a penny OTCs that are trading like 6 shares in pre-market. BBIG, too much overhead resistance at 4. I mean, let me drop you a line here. I actually talked about this one on the Steady Trade team webinar on Friday. So I see a brick wall. Let me show Instagram here. So look at that brick wall, that red line at 4. So this has to really, really, really break 4 hard. Otherwise, I think you're early. IHT. Is that a high day for IHT? IHT tried to squeeze on Friday. IHT is like, I might rename IHT like, The Walking Dead or like some sort of zombie name. Man, IHT just refuses to die. No volume. Now, I know what you're going to say. No volume, but let's keep an eye on this. BBIG needs to break 4. Quote unquote for real. I mean, like hardcore. IHT, back from the dead. Zombie squeezer. No, I don't want all caps. God dang it, why do I keep turning my caps lock on? Zombie squeezer. Possible dip and rip if it gets good volume. And bow, bow, bow. John asked about ENVB. Higher float. It's on Tamini Trail in Naples. Why does that sound familiar? Why does this address sound familiar? Oh, it looks like they're in a hospital or something. Or no. Is that Coldwell Banker? What is that? Yeah. So they're in the strip mall down on Tamini Trail. I don't know. For some reason, that street name jumped out at me. So, and then Magic Med Industries. What is Magic Med? Psychedelics. God dang it. You guys know, okay? If you've been here, I keep hoping and hoping and hoping for this psychedelic run. But man, it just refuses to happen. So this is what I'm going to say on all the psychedelic stuff. And you can call me out. Like January, every day I was like, man, the next hot sector, mushrooms, psychedelics. I said it for weeks. I'm like, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It never came. So psychedelics are just like weed stocks. Remember the cheating girlfriend analogy for weed stocks? We never, ever, ever trust weed stocks on a day one move. Okay? If you're thinking about trading weed stocks, tattoo on your forehead, never get suckered in by a day one move. Okay? You'll hate your life. We're looking for multi-day moves to break resistance. And ENVB, it's just a day one move with a ton of overhead resistance. And this doesn't tell me psychedelics are ready yet. I wish they were. I still really like this sector. But weed stocks 2.0. Don't fall for one-day fake-outs. So, I don't like it. Sorry. BRFS. Crap volume. Oh, this is a decent breakout. Actually, again, this is another one we talked about Friday evening. Evening. Remember, I'm 65 years old. So when I say evening, that means a 3:30 webinar. For an old guy that goes to bed at 8:30 and gets up at 4:30, when I say evening, that's 3:30 Eastern. But anyway, we talked about this one, and I said not enough volume to hold over the weekend. But this is a possible week open red to green, but I just need more volume on this guy. So BFRS, possible week open red to green. Very nice chart. I really like the chart. Just the volume stinks. So what am I doing? Man, I tell you, my typing is terrible today. It's probably because I haven't, I take pride in disconnecting on the weekends. I focus on, like reading real books. And it's probably because I haven't typed in 2 days. In 2 days, I've lost the ability to type. ANVS, low floater holding up. I mean, this is the Friday squeeze du jour. So I'm going to finish on this one. I'm going to beg you if you're new. If you're new, I'm going to beg you to avoid this long or short early. It's still up a ridiculous amount. And unless you can be really disciplined, I think bad things can happen. So what am I going to say to new traders on a ridiculously volatile stock that went from 20 to 100 back to 50? Afternoon. And I know that's not cool. I know that's not sexy. I know all the bros will be like, bro. Trading at the open's cool, bro. Check out my armpit, my sweat stained wife beater t-shirt, bro. Notice my 1982 rusted out Monte Carlo in the parking lot, bro. But I would say to all the real traders out there that are not trying to just throw crap at the wall and hope it sticks, if you're trading something really volatile like ANVS, please wait for afternoon breakouts. All right. Have a great day. And as always, what was I going to say? New podcast drops tomorrow. Very solid weekend watch list so far. Everything's green on the weekend watch list. ANVS, Peloton, RBLX, Space, Oatly. Oatly was on the weekend watch list. It's 1% red. So, all right. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.